All right, guys, this is the second half of the homework, January 9th. I can get back to that. Here we go. I believe we just had 19 and 20 left to finish up. There we go. All right, here we go for 19. Again, actually, we got two things going on. We got different things going on in the numerator and the denominator, but I'm going to take care of both of those at the same time. So let's first work on our numerator. In our numerator, we're raising a power to a higher power. So we're going to multiply our exponents. This is going to be 2 to the negative 4. And then x to the 1 times negative 4 again is going to be the negative 4. And now shift gears, because in the bottom, we're not raising to a higher power. We're multiplying those like bases. So we're going to add our exponents. So I've got negative 1 plus an understood 1 there. Negative 1 plus 1 is going to be 0. Anything to that 0 power is going to be, you got it, 1. So I got 2 to the negative 4, x to the negative 4 all over 1. We don't want to leave those negative exponents in there, so we're going to flip that fraction and put those guys on the bottom. So I've got x to the 4 down here. And then I've also got 2 to the 4. What's 2 to the 4? 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8, times 2 is 16. So 2 to the 4th is 16. So this looks really funky. So 16x to the 4th. 1 over 16x to the 4th. All right, last problem. Again, just like number 19, we're going to raise our power to a higher power in the numerator. We're going to multiply them on the denominator, and then we're going to divide them all together. So take a deep breath. Let's first start by raising a power to a higher power. So in our numerator, we've got 2 cubed. What is 2 cubed? 2 times 2 times 2. It's going to be 8. Then I've got x to the 3 times 3, which is 9. And then I've got z to the 2 times 3, which is 6. Okay, that was good for multiplying our exponents. Now we're down in the denominator. Now we're multiplying the bases, which means we're going to add our exponents together. So for x's, I've got 3 plus a negative 4. So 3 minus 4 would be negative 1. I don't have anything to go with this y, so we're just going to say y to the 4th. And then z to the 2 plus 3 is going to be z to the 5th. All right, now we've got it simplified down to a nice a nice division problem, which means we're going to be subtracting those exponents. So 8 on the top. Now I've got x to the 9 minus a minus 1. Minus a minus becomes positive. So that's 9 plus 1, which is 10. The y to the 4th, it's just going to stay down there because it doesn't have anything to interact with on the numerator. And then for our z's, I've got z to the 6 minus 5. That's z to the first power. It's positive, so it's going to stay in the numerator. So that's it for your homework for January 9th.